This is why you can't just set and forget a ground mount. My friend on Facebook built this simple 3-panel array on a wood frame. And just the other night, some strong winds flipped the whole thing like a pancake. He let me share these photos because it's a great lesson for all of us building small off-grid systems. Let's try and figure out why this happened. First, let's take a look at the recovery. Luckily, he had a neighbor with a tractor to help him stand it back up. You can see here, it's a lightweight build, probably only 300-400 pounds. A lot of people think, it's heavy enough, it's not going anywhere. But physics doesn't care about how heavy you think it is. All physics cares about is lift. I'm not an expert or an engineer, but I put together this wireframe to demonstrate what I think happened. This array has about 60 square feet of surface area. When wind hits from the back, it creates a high pressure zone, creating some lift. As wind increases, and because there's nothing anchoring it down, the front legs just act like a hinge. Once the wind got strong enough and the rear edge lifted even a few inches, the weight of the frame quickly shifted forward and the whole thing flipped over. By the way, I'm at 900 subscribers and trying to get to 1,000. If stuff like this is helpful, please hit the subscribe button and help me reach that milestone. Now, let's get on to the temporary fix. You can see it's back on its feet, but it's literally tethered to trees by tow straps, with additional weight sitting on the back. It's a temporary solution, but it also shows how much he's worried about future wind. The real fix here isn't tying it to trees. It's either concrete posts, earth anchors, or a lot more ballast. You have to make sure the frame is securely attached to the planet, not just hope the weight of the wood holds it down on the earth. Huge thanks to the guy who shared these. It's brave to show off when your stuff fails in order to help others avoid the same mistake. Let me know in the comments, how do you anchor your freestanding array? As always, thanks for watching.